Mwaka wa keri kirumaniririo kuma mutongoria wa bururi aruguria mutaratara wa arutwo othe a kirathi gia kanana kuingiraga mathukuru-ini ma secondary. Ministry ya githomo ni yugite arutwo ari othe marekire kigeranio gia KCPE ni magakorwo maingirite kirathi gia form 1 gwikinyiria tariki 2 mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka turorete. Ikirekereria mumira ma mwaka uyu, Ministry ya githomo yugite mehaririria ni mariku na kigina kiriho gia kurugamirira arutwo aya mathomo mao.
The ministry has already conducted a mapping of vacancies in all categories of schools. We are ready to admit more learners under the free-day secondary education program. The ministry will work with relevant agencies to ensure that no candidate misses a place in secondary school.
In January, we shall make sure that the resources that they require to be in school will be in school. As we are all aware, we pay 22,000 shillings per child. We shall make sure that money is there. We shall make sure that the necessary books are there. We are giving that commitment.
Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini yo Belio Kipsang ni mayanite umiriru ati marua ma thukuru iria arutwo aya megwitwo magakorwo maumite mbere ya thiguku ya kirithimathi.
We will launch the Form 1 selection exercise on Monday, the 3rd of December 2018. I want to clearly state that there will only be one selection process.
Just like last year, we make sure every one of our children, every one of that child will be in Form 1 next year.
Riri ari rita ria keri mumira ma KCPE kurekererio nja wa Nairobi. Ministry no ni tugiritie wira uria urutitwo hari kumaka kigeranio giki. Umuthi ari rita ria mbere mumira maya kwanirirwo tene ukiringithanio na tariki 21 mweri-ini uyu cia mwaka muhituku.
It is time we sang songs of heroes, and teachers are heroes in this country.
So I want to salute and celebrate the majority of our teachers who have taken part in setting the questions, moderating them, proofreading them, giving them to candidates, marking them, and now giving us the results back to announce to you.
Belio Kipsang ni ugite ni mararora weru wigiririki wa mathukuru mothe niguo gutigira arutwo mari na riera riega hari mathomo mao. Guku nake murugamiri munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia akiuria arimu kuroraga ciana na kinyi riria ire mathukuru.
That schools which do not fit to be schools, then we shall do reassessment and see what to do with them as we move forward.
The parents have delegated everything, every moral authority to the teacher. What is the teacher supposed to do? They are teaching, yes, they must also take that other part of a parent, but what is the parent doing?
Gukiri uguo kiuria kiria kiriho ni kana mathukuru maria marikuo ma secondary bururi-ini ni mekuhota kuyukia arutwo makiria wa milioni 1,50,000 ukiririkanwo githagathago kiria kiarikuo mwambiririo-ini wa mwaka uyu kana mutaratara wa gukorwo na amwe ya kuinuka na gia gukoma thukuru-ini niguo kuyukio.
For all our teams back home.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtaga Mau wa Mwangi.